Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Contrast Checker tools for compliant UI contrast, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting a reliable contrast checker tool online. Navigate to the home page of the chosen contrast checker. Familiarize yourself with the tool's interface and available options. Locate the section for entering foreground and background colors. Input your foreground color using either color codes or the color picker. Next, enter the background color in the specified field. Observe the contrast ratio generated by the tool. Check if the ratio meets accessibility standards, such as WCAG. Review the recommendations provided by the tool, if available. Consider adjusting your colors if they don't comply. Repeat the color input process with the new selections. Once satisfied, make note of compliant color combinations. Explore additional features the tool may offer, such as color blindness simulation. Use the tool to test multiple UI elements, ensuring all components are compliant. Save the settings or document the results for future reference. Regularly revisit the contrast checker as you update your design. Stay informed about any updates to accessibility guidelines. Ensure your design remains accessible with ongoing checks as your project evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.